sun is turning toward us, and some holes you can, I will zoom for you, you can this I think this maybe channel or Ch1, Ch2 and Ch3, maybe you can see inside pictures. I'll zoom for you. These holes are inside sun, and the dangerous part is that they make solar winds and they send it. So sun is turning toward us, and these winds will come to earth, and it will be dangerous because it's solar wind, it's magnetic things, it maybe has a bad effects on our body or our brain. So be careful these days. For sure, speed will be reduced till arriving us, but again, it should have effect on your brain or body. So I offer you that turn off your phone at nights. For now, I don't know till when, but at the moment it is important to turn off your phone at night.